Expanded form 3-digit addition, day 6. Get your whiteboard or your notebook and let's get going. Remember to pause the video so you have time to do your work and then push restart. All right, you can see that we are now doing 3-digit, but it's exactly the same as it was before. You do need to make sure that you start with your problems over to the left-hand side so you have room to expand them. So 148 equals 100 plus 40 plus 8. 139 equals 100 plus 30 plus 9. We're just going to add each column now. First the hundreds, then the tens, then the ones. So 100 plus 100 equals 200. 30 plus 40 equals 70. 9 plus 8. Notice I use the commutative property to say the larger number first. 9 plus 8, think 10 plus 7. We're going to combine our like terms, which are the tens. So add 70 plus 10 and get 80. So we now have it in expanded form, which is 200 plus 80 plus 7 equals 287. Make sure you always box your answer so you can find it. Next problem, 137 plus 129. Pause and work it out. All right, let's get to work. 100 plus 30 plus 7 and 100 plus 20 plus 9. Remember, be super nice and neat. Line up your hundreds, your tens, your ones, as well as your plus signs and your equal signs. That way, everything is easy to do. 100 plus 100 equals 200. 30 plus 20 equals 50. Again, instead of 7 plus 9, use the commutative property and say 9 plus 7, which makes us think 10 plus 6, because that 7 is going to give 1 to the 9 to make the 10. Add your like terms, which is 50 plus 10 equals 60. So 200 plus 60 plus 6 equals 266. Oh, remember what I said? Make sure they're on the left-hand side so you have room to expand all your equations. 200 plus 40 plus 8. Expand out 100 plus 40 plus 7. Again, write as neatly as you can so you can read it. 200 plus 100 equals 300. 40 plus 40 equals 80. 8 plus 7, I'm going to think 7 plus 7 is 14. So 8 plus 7 is 15. I expand it so that I can combine my like terms. 300 plus 90 plus 5 equals 395. Expand out 300 plus 10 plus 7. Expand 200 plus 30 plus 6. 300 plus 200 equals 500. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. And I write that as 10 plus 3 so that I can combine my like terms of 40 plus 10. 500 plus 50 plus 3. Nice job. You can see that expanded form, even with 3-digit addition, isn't any harder than 2-digit. It just takes you a little bit longer. We know if we look at this problem, it's going to be in the 300s because we have a 200 plus a 100. So we just need to figure out the rest of it. So 200, make sure you put a plus 0 as a placeholder. That way when we write our plus 50, it keeps it all lined up. 200 plus 100 equals 300. 0 plus 50 is 50. 8 plus 7 is 10 plus 5, or 15. Combine your like terms of 50 plus 10 into a 60. 300 plus 60 plus 5 equals 365. We're doing a great job today. 100 plus 20 plus 9. 100 plus 40 plus 9. As you look at this, you could tell the answer is going to be in the 200s because these are all low digits here and there's not another 100 there. So 200 plus 60 and 9 plus 9, we're going to make a 10 by giving the 9 a 1. 200 plus 60 plus 10, let's combine our 10s together for 278. Again, always box your answers. Oh, remember, start with the problem up on the left side so you have room. 200 plus 50 plus 6. 100 plus 30 plus 5. Again, you can tell by our hundreds that our answer will be in the 300s because there are not enough 10s to create another 100. And then 6 plus 5 is 10 plus 1. Combine our like terms, so it's 90, 391. Great job today. Keep practicing and we'll come back tomorrow with more.